Hello, everybody. This is Ian Lamont. I am the founder of i30 Media Corporation and author of the Lean Media book, blog, and video channel available from leanmedia.org. Today, I'm going to be talking about adding a soft packaging type to your Shopify store if you're shipping things that are soft. This came up in a YouTube question. And by the way, if this video helps you at the end, if you could follow my channel or like the video, I would greatly appreciate it. And a quick disclaimer, you're responsible for following the relevant terms and carefully evaluate all risks before following any of this advice. Because if you mess things up, not only can it mess up your Shopify store, it can also mess up the experience for your customers. So let's get started here. I have a couple Shopify stores. This is one of them. And the question was, this person was selling things, and they said, well, how do I create a soft packaging type? Because they saw that the default is usually a box or an envelope, like a party mail envelope or something like that. But they're selling something soft, like a piece of clothing, and it's maybe not a uniform size. And how do they deal with that? So this is how to do it. Go to your Shopify store at the very bottom. This is the desktop version, by the way, of course. And this is in spring 2021, so things may look a little bit different when you come to it, depending on how you have Shopify set up or when you're watching this. So go to settings at the bottom, and then go to shipping and delivery. Shipping and delivery, by the way, is one of the most confusing parts of Shopify. It's taken some trial and error for me to get it right, but I think that it's pretty effective once you know how to use it. Scroll down to packages, save packages, and you can see I have all kinds of packages here. These are all kind of rectangular boxes, or in this case, it's a tube, brown cardboard book mailer. What if I want to add a soft package? Click on Add Package, and you can see Custom Packaging, and one of the options is actually Soft Package Satchel. Select it. Length, it doesn't have to be so precise. I'm assuming that if this is for a small piece of clothing, the bag or satchel is probably going to be less than 18 inches on all sides. Be sure that if you're in a country that uses inches, be sure to select that inch. If you're in Canada or Europe, you would select centimeters, of course, and then just put in the rough dimensions of this particular package. So let's say that usually when I send a t-shirt to somebody, it's 10 inches long, it's 10 inches wide, and it is 5 inches tall. Weight when empty. Again, choose metric or imperial system. I usually use ounces. That's OZ. That's what that stands for. It is important to put the weight in here for this particular item. For a bag, it will probably be an ounce or less. So let's just say 1 ounce. The reason why you want to do this is because this can affect how much postage you pay. Like, let's say I'm selling a t-shirt, it weighs 10 ounces, and the bag is 1 ounce. The total weight will be 11 ounces, and that will impact how much you pay, depending on what postal service or a mailing service that you are using. For instance, if you have a bag that's 11 ounces total, including the t-shirt, versus a bag that's 13 ounces total, including the t-shirt, that will result in a higher class of postage if you're purchasing through the U.S. postal system. And I know this because I use the post office every day. You can give your bag a new name. So I could call this like t-shirt bag, 1 ounce. Okay. You can also set it as the default package. You might want to do this if you are selling mostly t-shirts. Set it as the default package. This will also mean that when customers pay for something, their postage will be calculated according to what the default package is, which in this case would be 1 ounce. If your default package is something else, like let's say a box, this weight may be a different figure. Then you just click Add Package, and you'd be ready to go. And of course, if you want to, is it there? Yeah, here it is, t-shirt bag 1 ounce. And of course, if you want to change something, you click Edit and go about the steps of changing the name, weight, etc. For more information on how to get the most out of Shopify, Amazon, and other types of programs, I've created a lot of videos and blog posts about it. You can go to leanmedia.org, click on video, click on blog. Also, if this video helped you, if you could follow me on YouTube or like the video, I'd be greatly appreciative. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.